Hello dear subscribers. Today I will show you how you can easily fix your error with your iPhone number 9. So for fixing it, first you need to connect your device to your computer and just understand if your cable, if this cable uh, is everything good with this cable, or you need to change cable. Or you can also, if you have some problems with your cable, you can also can see this error on your laptop. And also you need to try to use connect your iPhone to your iTunes wireless, so without any cable. You can do it by Wi-Fi. So you need to connect laptop and iPhone to the same network, and it will works without any cable. So another thing you can also try, you can change your laptop if you have another computer. So just try to connect to another computer your iPhone and try to update it from another computer. So also another thing you can try, it's to get your iPhone into recovery mode and just connect to iTunes again. So also you can check your system for antivirus. So just stop working your antivirus for some time until you update your iPhone. And also the last thing you can also try, it's to restart your device, and in some cases sometimes it helps. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.